and I'm not even kidding, put this on me and put me on the couch and I'm done for the night. Hello you guys, it's Sarah. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I hope that you had a very Merry Christmas with your family if you celebrate, and that you had a happy holiday season. Right now it is currently the 26th and I've unwrapped pretty much all of my Christmas gifts and most of my birthday gifts. If you're new to my channel, my birthday is exactly a week before Christmas, so I usually do a combined what I got for Christmas and my birthday haul. I know that there's still a couple presents on their way, so if you guys want to see me unbox those, I'm doing that in the next vlog, so just know this isn't like fully comprehensive and I still have a couple things coming. Also too, apologies, the tree is not lit because it is honestly very dry. So we took the lights off of it last night after Christmas was done, and we're actually literally gonna take it out right after this video. We are just saving it for the aesthetic and then it's gone. So sorry, it's usually a little bit more of a vibe, but at least we still have it for right now. Before we dive into this haul, I just want to welcome everyone who is new here. I create content on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell. And for everyone watching, please make sure to like this video and leave me a comment down below and let me know what your favorite gift you received this year was. But I actually have a lot of stuff to show you guys, so we're gonna dive into it. Again, just a reminder, this is a combined birthday and Christmas haul, so if this seems like a lot, it's because it's combining two different celebrations. And also too, I'm not necessarily showing everything. I have a very big family, and we also do little token gifts and stuff like that, so I didn't want this video to be a million years long and bombard you with a bunch of stuff. So I'm kind of keeping it to the things that were on my list and also things that I got like really surprised with. But starting out with what I got myself for my birthday. So every year I usually treat myself to a luxury designer bag, but this year I said I wasn't going to because we're going on a trip in 2024 and I wanted to spring for a really nice luxury designer bag on that trip. So I was saving most of my money towards that as opposed to getting a bag for my birthday this year. But I did end up deciding to get not only one but two designer bags for myself for my birthday and Christmas this year. Mind you though, I did kind of keep the promise because they're not luxury designer bags. I didn't get myself like Fendi or Louis Vuitton, Prada, Chanel, or anything on that level, but I still definitely did treat myself to a couple of really nice bags. And the first bag was my birthday gift to myself, and it is this Marc Jacobs mini Teddy J bag. So Marc Jacobs actually doesn't sell this anymore. I actually got it on sale when I purchased it, but Revolve still has it, so I'll link it through Revolve down below. But this one's just like a little mini statement teddy bag, and that's exactly what I was looking for. I wanted some sort of fuzzy or teddy mini bag for all of the holiday celebrations that were going on right now, and then also just in general to have like through the winter time as like a little winter statement bag. And this one was absolutely perfect. I was originally hoping to get the Coach Tabby in the teddy, but I didn't realize that they don't sell that anymore in the size that I wanted. So I saw this at Marc Jacobs and I was like, oh, that's so cute. It's very unique. I love that you can do it as a shoulder bag with a little gold chain. I love a gold chain on a bag. I just feel like especially when you're trying to dress up an outfit, it just adds so much. And then if you want to wear a little bit more casual, you can also do the leather crossbody strap. But it is just a mini bag, so keep that in mind. It's not meant to fit a lot. It really is just like more of an occasion bag in my opinion. I just think it's so cute and I've been having so much fun styling this. So the other thing that I got myself for my birthday was something that I finally got to check off of my bucket list. I actually went and I got the second piercing on my ears. I've been wanting to do this for so long. I've wanted this piercing since I was like in high school, and I just decided this year, since I wasn't going to do a huge bag purchase, that I wanted to go ahead and pierce my ears. So on my birthday, Trevor and I went to a piercing studio and I finally got it done, and I can't wait to buy myself some more earrings so that I can start doing earring stacks. I've always been so jealous of people who have enough piercings to like actually style an earring stack. So I'm very excited to be able to do that now. I think I need to wait about 3 months though until I can switch these out, but you best bet once I can, I'm gonna be having so much fun styling my ears up. And then I actually have decided probably in about a month or two, I'm gonna go back and get more. I want to do a third one on my right lobe right here, and then I want to probably pierce somewhere on my cartilage on my left ear. So keep an eye out for that in early 2024. Then for my gift to myself for Christmas, this one was an impulse purchase that I sprung for when I picked up my husband's gift. I got some really good news at work, so I was like, screw it, I'm gonna treat myself. And like I had said, I had been looking into getting a fur or teddy Coach Tabby, but I came across this deep green one online and I fell in love with it. I'm not even kidding you guys. The ad for this was following me around for weeks, and finally when I got the good news at work and I went to go pick up Trevor's gift, I was like, you know what? Add this to my cart. I've been wanting this and I've been eyeing it, and I can tell you guys, I've been using this bag pretty much non-stop since I got it. I can see why the Coach Tabby is such a staple. It's kind of like the perfect everyday bag, but you can also switch it to night. So it has the shoulder bag that you can wear with like more formal outfits or if you kind of want to dress something up, but it also has the crossbody. If if you want to wear it for errands and have it just be a little bit more casual. It has a flap opening at the C, which this hardware is very, very heavy. You can feel it's really good quality. Also too, the leather on this is so soft and it's so movable. I thought that this was going to be a little bit stiffer, but this leather literally feels like butter. And then the inside is actually pretty spacious. I can fit this camera in here very, very comfortably. It has a pocket in the front right here that you can zip, and then it also has a zipper pocket here in the back. And here's one of my other gifts. This one was a stocking stuffer from Trevor. He got me $25 to arc out. And then also there's another gift in here. This one is from my sister-in-law and her family. They got me this little Clinique bundle, and I was like, oh, this is absolutely perfect to keep in my purse. So it came with a body cream, which is great. I hate it when my hands are dry or anywhere else on my body feels dry. So I love that I have this and I can keep it in this purse. And then it also came with 2 little travel perfumes. It came with Clinique Happy Heart, and then it came with the classic Clinique Happy. And let me tell you, I'm so glad that I have these because I don't know what is up with me lately. I have been forgetting to put on perfume before I leave the house, which I guess is better than forgetting deodorant, but it's really bugged me the last few times. So I'm glad that I can keep those in there. That way if I run out the door with perfume again and I'm going to something, I have a backup in here just in case. But yeah, anyways, I absolutely love this. I'm so glad that I got this for myself. I believe this green one is still on sale if you guys are interested in this, but I absolutely love this antiqued gold with the deep green. I think it's such a beautiful combination. It's just very classic and sophisticated. And then also too, obviously it works really, really well for the holidays. But even with the holidays being over, I just feel like this deep green just looks beautiful year round. And it doesn't feel like this only has to be worn around the holidays. So I know for sure that this bag will continue to be a go-to for me for the next few months. Up next is a sweatshirt from my list that I have literally been living in ever since I got it. This is from the brand Comfort, and these are actually weighted hoodies. They're not like super heavy. They're not like 10 pounds like a blanket, but if you feel them, you can definitely tell that they are a heavier material than the average hoodie. And that is done purposefully because these are designed to be like really comforting if you have anxiety or anything like that. It kind of works the same way as a weighted blanket, but a little bit lighter weight and on the go, so you can wear it out and about. And I'm not even kidding you guys. This literally feels like you're wearing a hug. It feels so comfortable and I feel so relaxed when I'm wearing it. So if you get anxious or anything, but you love loungewear, definitely check out this company because they have a few different styles to choose from, and they also have matching sweatpants for all their hoodies. Then next is another lounge piece, and this one is from LL Bean. I got served this in an ad and I immediately put it on my Christmas list, and I'm so glad that my in-laws got this for me. They got me my Sherpa throw, and you guys, obsessed. I put this on last night and like curled up on the couch, and I like even put the hoodie on and everything, and Trevor's like, you look so ridiculously comfortable. I fell asleep on the couch. I passed out. But this material seriously is so soft and cozy, perfect for winter. This also has a hood, and then my favorite part about this, especially for like wearing it around the house, or I'll probably even wear this when I'm like walking Leo and it's like really late at night, but it has pockets. Like how fun is that? So you can put your phone in here and just like walk around the house in pure comfort, but it's kind of like a poncho slash cape style. So you wrap it around you and it has the little slots on the side so that your arm can come out. It's like completely open, but it's designed for your arms to go through the top here. And then like I said, it has a hood, and I'm not even kidding, put this on me and put me on the couch and I'm done for the night. Like there's no getting me up. Then next, this was like a little bit more of a stocking stuffer, but I wanted to mention it because I've always wanted these. One of our family members got us all these silicone baking mats. I have been wanting to get these so bad because we always use like foil or parchment paper, so it would be nice to start using reusable stuff like this. So I can't wait for the next time we need to bake something because this is definitely gonna come in handy. And then she also got us this Turkish towel, which is so pretty. I love this color. And then look at this design. And then it also has the little tassels here. This is gonna be so perfect in the summer. I'm for sure gonna be using this to lay out whenever I go to the beach because I feel like the sand isn't gonna stick to this as much as it does with our beach towels. So that is gonna be absolutely perfect. And then she also got us this little shopper tote, and it's personalized with our last name initial on it. But Trevor and I love to go to like swap meets, farmers markets, or just like when I'm grocery shopping in general. I will love using this bag, and then come summertime we'll probably switch it to a beach bag. And that also has a little zipper pocket in here, and it's actually lined, so if you put sunscreen or anything that's liquid in here and it bursts or leaks, it'll be easy to clean up in there. And then from my mother-in-law, she got me my chopper that I've been asking for. I'm someone who just like absolutely hates prep. I usually try to buy most things pre-chopped, but to save some money, I'm like, I really need to be okay with like prepping my own stuff. So I asked for a chopper to make it as easy as possible. But the other thing I got this for is because I've been seeing people use these to make like really fine chopped salads, and I love that. That is something that I definitely want to try because I definitely prefer more finely chopped salads. I don't like it when my salads are really chunky. So when it comes to like making myself a salad at home, I don't really do it as much because of all the chopping, but now I get to use my new chopper. Then she also got me my Pilates crew socks. I think this came with like 8 to a pack. There's a dark gray pair that's in my current Pilates bag, but it came with like this dark green one, this gray one, this like khaki one, and these black ones. And these are grip socks that can be used for Pilates or yoga, but I really liked these for the winter time since these ones are the crew ones, so they're gonna be a little bit more cozy than the ones I currently have, which are just ankle height. Then from my sister, I'm very excited about this. She got us the pet grooming vacuum. I cannot wait for this. It's probably gonna take a couple weeks of training with Leo on this. I have heard that this is quiet, but it's not silent, so I'm sure the noise will freak him out, so we're gonna go really slow with this, but once we get it working, I can't wait to groom him with this. Leo is double coated, so he definitely does need to be brushed, and this is gonna make brushing him so much easier. So this is the vacuum part, obviously, where all the hair vacuums into, and then this is the hose for it, and then it comes with a few grooming attachments. This first one, it's not for grooming your dog. You can actually also use this vacuum to like clean up your couch and stuff, so that's what this one is for, if you needed to clean pet hair off of upholstery or clothing. And then it also has this little narrow suction tube, and you can use this to like clean the corners and cracks in your house. And then for grooming, we have a de-shedder. This is the thing that I probably use with Leo the most because he's a double coat and he sheds like crazy. And then it also comes with a slicker brush, and then both the slicker brush and the de-shedder have this feature where you brush them, and then if you want to loosen the hair so that it can suction, you just press this back here and it pushes the hair out so that the vacuum can suction it in. Okay, sorry guys, the camera overheated, so it's now a little darker because I had to let the camera rest for a little bit. Also, Leo got a hold of his toys, so there may be some squeaking. But the last attachment on the vacuum is something that we probably don't need unless he gets comfortable enough to let us trim around his paw pads. But if you have a longer haired dog that genuinely needs to get trimmed, it also does come with a pair of clippers and then also a few different clipper attachments. But I'm very, very excited for this vacuum. Again, it's probably gonna take a little bit of a process and some time to get Leo used to it, but once he is used to it, it's definitely gonna be a game changer. Then next is one of my birthday gifts from Trevor. I don't have it physically with me because it's plugged in upstairs and it's also pretty bulky, but I have been wanting a skincare fridge for forever, and I saw this one from the brand, I don't know how to pronounce it, but I think it's Lavara or something like that. It's from Amazon, and when I came across it, I thought that was the most unique skincare fridge I had ever seen, so I immediately added it to the list, and I'll put some clips of it here on the screen. First off, on this fridge, I absolutely love the color. I've never seen a green skincare fridge, and this particular green is just absolutely stunning, especially when paired with the rose gold finishes that are on this fridge. I just think that it's a stunning combination. And also one of my favorite parts is that it opens from the top, because one of the main things that I want to keep in this fridge are my rosemary water bottles, which need a lot more room vertically, which the top opening allows for. Then for my sister-in-law and her family, they got me my espresso cups. This came in a set of 2. I just have the one here, but I have been needing to replace our espresso cups so bad. Ours broke like a couple years ago, and I've been eyeing these ones. I really love the shape. Again, I think that it's like very, very unique for an espresso cup, and I like these because they're a little bit bigger than a single shot espresso cup, because whenever I have espresso, I usually at least do a double, and I like a little bit of room for cream. So this one allows for that. I think this can take up to like 3 shots of espresso, and then it's also double walled, so you don't have to worry about putting down a coaster or anything, and it's also going to keep your espresso hotter for longer. Then they also got me a couple of makeup cleaning items. First one is the Style Pro makeup brush cleaner. I actually have one similar to this, but it's really old and grimy, so it was actually kind of great timing that they got me this one, because I honestly think that that one's done. I've had it for years, so it'll be nice. So it'll be nice to upgrade to a newer one. And then they also got me the sink topper in case I like want to lay out my brushes to dry. Or this also will come in handy if I happen to be doing my makeup in the bathroom. I can put this over the sink and then put my makeup on this as I'm doing it, as opposed to having all of my makeup like sitting in the sink. And then they also got me the satin pillowcase. These are so good for your skin and hair. I've been hearing so many experts talk about how it's so much better to sleep on these for your hair. It causes less tugging and less breakage. And then this material is also so much better for your skin, especially if you are acne prone. This is gonna help cause less breakouts. One of my favorite things that they also got me for Christmas were these reusable Star Wars food storage bags. I use Ziploc bags a lot for a lot of my breakfast items like ham and turkey, and then also for tomatoes, because I just cut off a couple slices every day, and it's just been like such a waste putting them in plastic bags and then throwing it out. So I'm gonna switch to these because A, they're Star Wars, they're awesome. I mean, we have my absolute favorite, which is R2-D2, and then a stormtrooper as well. So I'll probably permanently put my breakfast stuff in here so that I'm not wasting a bunch of Ziploc bags. Then one of Trevor's Christmas gifts to me, you guys didn't get to see me unbox it, but he got me the electric kettle that I've been wanting. Like, look at how aesthetic this thing is. It's absolutely beautiful. I love that it's a little bit retro, which matches with our new retro microwave. And also too, the colors are very similar. We got them both in off-white, so these would look gorgeous next to each other on our countertops. I just love the glass on here. I think it looks so good. And then it has the on-off switch here. And then what's really cool about the plate on the bottom is that if I want to store this, it's built so that you can easily store the cord away. So you just wrap it around on the bottom, and then you can store it away really easily. So yeah, I absolutely love this. I can't wait to get into drinking tea again. I feel like it's just gonna be a vibe every night before I go to bed. Then also for Christmas, Trevor got me a very, very thoughtful gift. He saw this canvas that looks exactly like Spartacus. Like the second I opened it, I was like, oh my god, is this Spartacus? I thought he got a custom one done, but he was like, no, I found it and it looked like him. But look at this. That is totally Spartacus. So he got me this to kind of hang near my bed. I already have a canvas done of Pip that sits next to me. And then I do have like a framed photo of Spartacus on my nightstand, but this will be nice to have over there as well to remember him by. Then for my goddaughter and my cousin and her family, they did way too much for my birthday. They got me the carry-on that was on my list, and you guys, this carry-on is amazing. I don't know how much I'm gonna be able to like physically show you right now because it is a decent size. But first off, and I didn't even know this, it came with a luggage cover, which I love because the color on this is light, so it's nice to have that so it'll be protected. But this is the Filario hard case carry-on luggage. It has the spinner wheels, TSA approved locks, and just the material on it feels so nice. It looks beautiful. And then one of my favorite things about this is the front pocket. Just pop it open, and it has like a dedicated spot for my laptop, which I really, really love because my laptop usually takes up so much space in my personal item. So I like the fact that there's a dedicated spot for my laptop and it'll get to stay in the hard luggage. And then what's also cool about this is that it actually has a charger, so I can plug in a device here, or in that same front pocket, there's also a cord that comes with 2 USBs, which I can use to charge the battery in here or charge my devices. It works both ways. But I love the fact that while I'm traveling, I'll never be too far from a charger. The handle on here too is also really cool. It pops out so that I can mount a device on here if I want to take a photo or if I want to watch something while we're waiting to board the plane. And then I forgot to show you guys this when I initially unboxed it. It also has a cup holder in the back so that if I get a nice coffee or something while we're at the airport, I can just put it right in my cup holder. So I'm very, very excited about this. And this is literally built for me because it also has hooks for your shopping bags if you do any souvenir shopping while you're at the airport. So I love this. It was way too much, and I'm so, so grateful to them for getting me this because I cannot wait to start using it. And again, I didn't want to make this video too long, so we're gonna go ahead and end it off here with my favorite gift of them all. I was so shocked when Trevor gave me my other birthday gift. Trevor is not a huge fan of designer stuff, but as we know, I am. But for my birthday this year, he went to Louis Vuitton and got me a little something. First off, can we talk about the Louis Vuitton holiday packaging? It's absolutely beautiful. But like I mentioned, we do have a big trip coming up, and so he got me a little something for it, and it's the monogram passport holder. You guys, like the shock that I had when I opened this. First off, when he brought out the bag because it was wrapped up in the Louis bag, but look at how gorgeous this thing is. So it has slots for all my cards. I could put my ID in there or like my boarding pass, anything that I need quick access to. And then obviously the flap to put in my passport. And then of course the classic brown Louis Vuitton monogram. She is iconic. She's recognizable. She's classic. So yeah, I'm so excited to travel for our trip with this in hand. He literally went above and beyond, and I really appreciate this. I'm so excited. I've always wanted some of the Louis Vuitton travel accessories, so he definitely like hit the nail on the head with this one. All right, you guys, well that's gonna be it for today's video. Again, I hope you guys had a very Merry Christmas and a lovely holiday season with your family. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're new here, like this video, leave me a comment down below letting me know what your favorite gift from this year was. And I love you guys, and I'll see you guys very soon again in the next video, which is gonna be the last vlog for 2023.